Welcome to dystopian future where freedom is distant memory and the government has total control over everything. This is the world of George Orwell, classic novel 1984. 1984, the totalitarian government led by Big Brother has made the society where independent thoughts are discouraged and the peoples of the country are continuously under surveillance. The whole world is divided into three states: Oceania, Eurasia, and East Asia. And these three states are in the continuously war and they pretend to be in the war continuously. In Oceania, there are three type of people living. Our protagonists live in the Oceania. In Oceania, there are the outer party member, inner party member, and there are the paroles.
Our protagonist Smith is present in Oceania. There are the four ministries active there: truth, love, penalty, and peace. Thought the police also present. Our protagonist Winston Smith, lower rank employee and the work in the Ministry of Truth, whose work is to amend the news, journal, history books, and children curriculum according to Big Brother. He was moved to reality.
Our protagonist, Winston Smith, begins to question the official ideology and rebel against the government oppressive rule. He started writing diary and breaking the draconian laws made by Big Brother. Winston's rebellion is sparked by his illicit love affair with Julia, a black-haired girl who was also employed in the Ministry of Truth. And together they start to resist the government draconian laws and break the rules of government. But the party agent like Ruthless O'Brien are always watching and waiting to crush the dissents. Winston's rebellion is met with brutal force, and he is forced to confront the dark truth about the party intentions. The O'Brien is the member of upper party, and he was also the spy of the party, and he worked for the party.
Winston Thick O'Brien is the member of the Brotherhood, the people against the Big Brother. Then he meets O'Brien along with Julia. O'Brien handed over him a book by the founder of Brotherhood. But unfortunately, Winston and Julia both were arrested by thought police on the report of O'Brien. Winston faces his greatest fear of Moses and the party's ultimate weapon, the destruction of self dependency.
In the end, the Winston rebellion is crushed and he forced to love Big Brother. The novel ends with a haunting warning and with the words, he loved Big Brother. Orwell novel is the warning against the danger of totalitarianism, censorship, and erosion of freedom, self-freedom.
Published in 1949, 1984 novel remains a timeless classic, early relevant to our world today. Join the resistance and read the 1984 novel. And remember, freedom is worth fighting for.
Freedom is freedom to say 2 plus 2 equal to 4, not 5. And in this novel, there are some double think lines which Winston have written in his diary. For example, described on the cover of the book, war is peace, freedom is slavery, and ignorance is strength. So this is the all about 1984 novel.